Randy Dawn and a marathon coach. We're here in Oregon at the mothership, as they call it, and we ran across Coach 1356. It's a consignment here in Oregon, and we'd love to show it to you. What year is this one,
It's
Randy?
a 2022.
2022.
I think just under 20,000 miles on it. And I've been eyeing this one on the website. It is on our website. And hopefully the video gives you a little better look at the colors. But stunning colors, just great contrast with some, the colors just really make this coach pop. So we'll show you the inside and give you a look on the outside, the colors, and some of the base.
And keep in mind, there is still about a 1-year warranty on this coach.
Yeah.
So let's take a look.
All right. All right, here's a little bonus. Coach 1356 22 double slide coach under 20,000 miles on it, has a trailer. So this beautiful trailer, matching trailer, can go with the coach or not, either way. So it's an 03, believe it or not, it looks brand new, but it's an 03 all aluminum trailer. So Dawn will kind of give you a look around it. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the tour of 1356. It is located in Oregon. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Dawn or myself or any of the sales representatives, either in Florida, Texas, or out here in Oregon. Any of them can help you on this coach. And keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.